Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the story of a NASCAR driver who has had quite the journey through the ranks, making his way from debuting in the lower series to competing in the Cup Series. That driver is none other than Boyd, a racer who has shown persistence and determination throughout his career. Let's break down his path to NASCAR glory. Boyd's NASCAR journey began back in 2016, and it wasn't an easy start. He made his debut in the Xfinity Series, driving for Rick Ware Racing at Loa Speedway. He started dead last in the field in a 40-car race. But here's the thing, Boyd wasn't intimidated. Over the course of the race, he managed to improve 11 positions. While he finished 29th, 16 laps down, it was clear from the start that Boyd had the drive to make it in NASCAR. Not stopping there, Boyd then signed on with Obiker Racing for a race at Chicagoland Speedway, driving the NUM 77 car. It wasn't the ideal result, finishing 35th, but Boyd was starting to make a name for himself, gaining the experience he needed to take the next step in his career. Now let's fast forward to 2017. Boyd really started making some noise when he signed on with SS Greenlight Racing. In June of that year, he replaced regular driver Ray Black Jr. for multiple races in the NASCAR Xfinity Series. His deal was contingent on sponsorship, and he was fortunate enough to have backing from Grunt Style, which helped him continue his journey. Boyd's first race with SS Greenlight came at Richmond Raceway, driving the number 07 car. He didn't get the best results early on, but there were glimpses of his potential. In fact, in the summer of 2017, Boyd really started to improve, with a 17th place finish in the Daytona race, marking his best result of the year. By the end of the season, he finished 26th in the point standings, showing that with some time and improvement, Boyd was someone to watch. Then came 2018, and Boyd's career took another step forward. He signed on to race full-time with SS Greenlight Racing, driving the NUM 76 Chevrolet in the Xfinity Series. Now this season wasn't without its challenges. Early struggles meant Boyd had a bit of an uphill battle to fight. But by the summer, the team found some momentum. His best finish of the year came with a 17th place at Daytona, a solid result in the face of adversity. He finished the season 26th in points, which was a respectable showing given the tough competition in the series. But Boyd's story doesn't end in Xfinity. No, in August 2019, Boyd took the next step and made his NASCAR Cup Series debut. It was announced that he'd be racing for Rick Ware Racing once again, but this time in the Cup Series, driving the NUM 53 car at Michigan International Speedway. It was a major moment in his career, a true milestone. Boyd had already raced for Rick Ware in both the Xfinity and Truck Series, so this wasn't entirely new for him. But to make his debut in the top-tier series was a big deal. Boyd's Cup Series debut marked the beginning of a new chapter in his NASCAR career. While it was just one race at the time, it showed the kind of persistence and dedication Boyd had, racing at the highest level after years of hard work in the lower series. From his humble beginnings at Loa Speedway to competing in the Cup Series, Boyd's journey has been one of resilience. Sure, it wasn't always smooth sailing, but Boyd has always been someone who doesn't back down from a challenge. His story shows that with the right mindset and determination, even the toughest obstacles can be overcome. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. If you enjoyed this story of Boyd's NASCAR career, be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on his journey. Who do you think is the next breakout star in NASCAR? Let us know you next time.